Hello students, standard 7. As we know that the chapter 11 perimeter and area, in which we learn some formulas to find the perimeter and areas of some figures, the two-dimensional figures. And also we find areas, find formula to find the area of a parallelogram and to find the area of the triangle. We saw some examples also based on it. So let us start exercise 11.2. The first question is, find the area of each of the following parallelogram. Means here some figures of parallelograms are given and some measurements are given. From that we have to find the areas. Number A. Here this is 7 centimeter given and 4 centimeter is given. We know that in parallelogram base and the height should be there. So here base B is 7 centimeter and height H is 4 centimeter. So now we have to find the area. So area of parallelogram, what is the formula? B into H. Be careful between the formulas of parallelogram and triangle. In triangle it is 1 by 2 into B into H. In the parallelogram there is no 1 by 2, only B into H. So that is 7 centimeter multiplied by 4 centimeter. 7 4s are 28 centimeter square. Second one. The height is given 3 centimeter. Base is given 5 centimeter. The same thing here. Base B is equal to 5 centimeter and height H is 5 centimeter. Sorry, height is 3 centimeter. So now we have to use the formula again. Therefore, area of parallelogram is equal to B multiplied by H. That is 5 centimeter multiplied by 3 centimeter. That is 5 3s are 15 centimeter square. So now we will take C. In C, same thing is there. 3.5 centimeter and 2.5 centimeter. So here base B 2.5 centimeter and the height h is 3.5 centimeter. So, area of parallelogram B into H, that is 2.5 multiplied by 3.5. So 25 multiplied by 35. 8.75 centimeter square. Then take D. Here little different, but so here the altitude is given like that, and that is 4.8 centimeter, and base is taken as this one, because we know that any of the side of the parallelogram can be taken as the base. So here this is the base and this is the height. So base B is 5 centimeter and height H is 4.8 centimeter. So area of parallelogram is B into H, that is 5 multiplied by 4.8, 48 multiplied by 5, 8 5 is 40. So 240, so 24.0 means 24 centimeter square. The last one also has some same type of situation. Here also the base is at the side, which is 2 centimeter, and the height is 4.4 centimeter. So here base B is 2 centimeter and the height H 4.4 centimeter. So area of parallelogram is equal to base into height. So 2 multiplied by 4.4, 44 to the 88, so 8.8 centimeter square. So here the most important thing is the formula. If you know the formula to find the parallelogram, here the sides are given, base and height, so we can easily find the area. Now the second question, find the area of each of the following triangles. So let's take the first one. Here the perpendicular is there and measurements are 3 centimeter and 4 centimeter. So here base B is how much? 4 centimeter, and height H is 3 centimeter. And here be careful to put the formula. Area of triangle, here in the formula there is 1 by 2 into B into H, that is 1 by 2 into 4 into 3, 2 2s are 4, so 2 3s are 6 centimeter square. So there is a minor difference between the formulas of parallelogram and triangles. B. In B, the base is taken Another one. This side is taken as base and altitude on it is 3.2 centimeter. So now here base is this one 5 centimeter and height h is 3.2 centimeter. So now we have to find the area. So area of triangle is equal to 1 by 2 into b into h, half into base into height, that is 1 by 2 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 3.2. Now we know that 16 2s are 32, so we can place 1.6 here. 16 5s are 80, so 8.0 means 8 centimeter square. Now be careful in this third one. In third one, you can see that there is no altitude drawn. Why? Because it is a right angled triangle. In right angled triangle, the two sides are perpendicular to each other. It means that if you take this one as base, then the side itself is altitude. If you take this side as base, that can be the altitude. And therefore, it is very, very simple now. So here for right angled triangle, area of triangle is equal to product of two sides making right angle. Making right angle. So area of triangle is equal to 4 centimeter multiplied by 3 centimeter. So 4 3s are 12 centimeter square. So here any one side can be taken as base and the other side can be taken as side, but we forgot here 1 by 2. So is equal to 1 by 2 into 4 centimeter into 3 centimeter. So 3 2s are 6 centimeter square. Now in the D, as we saw in the examples, that when there is a obtuse angle triangle, we have to extend the one of the side and then the altitude or the perpendicular is drawn. So here the base is 3 centimeter and the height is 2 centimeter. So here base B is equal to 3 centimeter and height H is 2 centimeter. So area of triangle is equal to 1 by 2 into B into H. So 1 by 2 into 3 into 2. 2 to cancel. So 3 centimeter square. So here we see that there are different types of triangles are there. One triangle is the two triangles are acute angle. So the altitudes are inside. But in right triangle, the two sides making right angles can be taken as the base and the height. And in the obtuse angle triangle, the altitude is outside the triangle. Now, in the question third, there is a table given in which some of the values are missing. We have to find the missing values. First one, in which base B is given as 20 centimeter. We have to find height and area of the parallelogram is given. Area of parallelogram is given as 246 centimeter square. Now we know the formula that B multiplied by H is 246 B, because we have the formula of the area. So now the value of B is given, so 20 multiplied by H is 246. So H is equal to 246 divided by 20. So now we can divide 10 to the and 123 to the 246. So now here it is 10, so you can put one decimal. Therefore, height H is equal to 12.3. Now this is centimeter, so unit of that height is also 12.3 centimeter. Now B is also saying, B and C are same, so we will do B, and then A and D will be, C and D will be for the homework. C, in the B base we have to find. Base B we have to find. Height is given. Height H is given as 15 centimeter. And also area of the parallelogram given. The area of the parallelogram is given as 154.5 centimeter square. 154.5 centimeter square. So now we know that base into height is 154.5. Therefore B multiplied by 15. Now we can write down 1545 upon 10 for our convenience. So B is equal to 1545 upon 10. This 15 also goes into the denominator. Now we can cancel as 15 ones are 15, then 0, 15 threes are 45 upon 10. So base B is equal to 10.3 centimeter. So C and D are same as A and B. So C and D I am leaving for you for your homework. So here we are going to finish the today's session, and it will be in the PDF. So if any confusion, write down in the comment section. Thank you very much.